Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to withdraw Tether ERC20 in Toobit Exchange. When you enter the website, you go to Assets and click on Withdraw. We choose the currency that we want to withdraw plus the network and the withdrawal address. And pay attention that if you put wrong address, you will lose your assets. You choose the amount that you want to withdraw, and by clicking on max, you will choose all the amounts. The minimum withdrawal is $10 and $10 will go for the fee. If you wanted to add remarks, you click on this section and write the remark. And finally, click on withdraw. You see the details for the withdrawal and click on continue. For next part, you have to click on send and a code will be sent to your email that you have to verify your withdrawal, and in this part you have to enter your Google Authenticator code. Then after entering the code, click on OK, and to check your transaction history you can scroll down and you will see it in this section. Good luck!